What's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up your Facebook page in your Android device. And just so you know, the process is same in an Android device or an iPhone. First of all, you're going to have to get logged into the Facebook page that you created. Then select this three bar icon, head over to settings. And at this section, scroll below under audience and visibility, go for this page setup. Likewise, this is my page's name. You can go ahead and set a username as well, and you will see page access. And under page access, you can go ahead and add a person whom you would like to give your page's access. First of all, select this people with task access, select add new, select next. In here, you're going to have to type in the name or the username of the person whom you would like to make an admin. Likewise, if you would like to get the full access, select this people with Facebook access and simply select add new, select next, and type the name of a person. For example, you can simply type in their name here and everybody with that name will be appear here. All you have to do is tap onto the profile, confirm your action, and give access. Once you're done with giving access, you can also simply view other stuff that is going on with your page simply under page setup. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.